Hi everybody! So today I'm going to show you another recipe that I grew up eating. Okay, it is called Sinigang, and Sinigang is a sour-based soup. It is commonly made with pork. Some people use beef. A lot of people in the coastal areas use fish as well. And yeah, so first thing I did is I just have my pork boiling in some water right now, and it's been going for about 10 minutes, and I want it to go for about 30 minutes in total, and we're gonna go back to that. But while that's going, I'm gonna talk about the star ingredient, which is the tamarind. So again, Sinigang is a sour-based soup, and it's most commonly made with tamarind, okay? Some people use calamansi for that. A fruit called kamyas, even sour guavas are being used as well, and then regional variations too. But let me talk about the tamarind that we're going to use for this recipe. So most commonly you'll see this, great for this dish because it does achieve the flavor that you want, okay? It is powdered tamarind with seasonings and additives and whatnot. Great if that's the only option you have, okay? I found some good alternatives though, and this one here is the Indian tamarind concentrate. They use it for cooking too. Another option that I found is this one here. It is the Thai tamarind concentrate. It's a little sweeter than how I want my sinigang. A few months ago, I was able to find some green tamarinds in a local Asian supermarket here, so I said, why not? And so I grabbed some, I grabbed a lot actually, and I just boiled it in some water for about an hour, and this is what I came up with. In the future, I'm gonna post a recipe for this, but this is my green tamarind concentrate, and really achieves the flavor that I want for this dish, okay? I do have some tomatoes here and some onions that I just cut in chunks. The idea is for them to just mellow down in the sauce, in the soup. Some radish. It is daikon radish that I cut in half and sliced thinly. Same deal with a Chinese eggplant. Normally we would use Chinese eggplant for this. String beans, if you have any, you can put that, okay?
Which I do, I just forgot to prep it.
And just some minced garlic, about a tablespoon, just to help flavor the stock, okay? We'll be right back. Alright guys, so after 30 minutes, this is how it looks like. So the reason why we boiled the pork on its own is because we want to be able to skim off all the gunk that is going to eventually float on top, which is what you're seeing right now. So yeah, 30 minutes in, and just skim off the top, and we'll be right back. Alright, so after you cleaned up the top, after you skimmed off all the gunk that was floating on top, you're just going to add your onions, tomatoes, and your garlic. So again, just a tablespoon and a bit. And this is gonna go for about an hour and a half. You just want the pork to soften at this point, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's been 90 minutes. Checking my pork to see if it's done. It is pork tender, and I'm just smashing all the tomatoes and the onions. Alright, so at this point, I just want to add my peppers, my radish, and my snake beans. And this is going to cook for about 10 minutes. The beauty about the radish is it really does hold its shape. And yeah, other than this, the final step. Alright guys, so my veggies are now nice and soft. So at this point, we're gonna add the tamarind concentrate, okay? I'm gonna dump the whole thing, so this is 2 cups. Give it a taste. Ooh. Alright, you wanna get that face, okay? That's how sour this soup is. I'm gonna add a little more black pepper. Alright guys, so turn off the heat and just add your bok choice. Other than that, eat it. It is good to go. It's best served with hot steamed rice, okay? If you have any questions or concerns about the video, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking, guys. Bye.